Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Pada Dandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandanang Bande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manoharam Vancha Kalpataruvasya Kipa Sindhu Bhavacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ Karoti Vācālaṁ Pangum Langhayatigirim Yat Kipatamahang Vande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavai Tulsidev Vai Piya Vai Kesavasya Cha Krishna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvattoi Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Naram Chaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudire Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadeshe Gauriya Patrasya Prakasane Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagodvarana Deyam Sada Paribhavagna Bhavistadubham Tethas Padam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vetatiham Panotopal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusate Charunarvindam Yat Padapallavanaka Chandamani Chataya Vispurjita Kimapi Gavavadu Svadarsi Purnanuragara Sasagara Saramurti Saradhikamai Kada Pam Karosi Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanuka bodhatu Sankirtanai kapitaru kamala yatakshu Vishambharu Vijavaru Jugadhar Mupalu Bande Jagat Priyakaru Karuna Bhataru Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Surasurairvandito Dibbarupam Bhukti Jamukti Jadada Sinitam Bhavanurupena Sada Naranam Ganga Tarangaramaniya Jata Kalapam Gauri Nirantara Vibhushi Tabam Bhagam Narayano Priyamanangumadhapaharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavi Shanatham Vagisha Vadane Lakshmi Jasya Bhaksasi Yasyaste De Sambhid Tvam Nishingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Tvam bhakti yoga paribhavito hitsarojvasase Sotekshita patanonunat pungsam Jad jad dhiyat urugaya vibhavayati Tattadavapu pranayase sadhanu grahayo Tvam bhakti yoga paribhavito hitsarojvasase Sutekshita patanonunat pungsam Jad jad dhiyat urugaya vibhavayati Tattadavapu pranayase sadhanu grahaya. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that there is no alternative way, there is no other way to get in contact with the Aprakita Jagat. The only, the single way open. That is called to take shelter of Aprakita Sabda Brahma. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that there is no alternative way to get in contact with that Aprakita Jagat. The only way open is to take shelter of Aprakita Sabda Brahma. But where from we can get Aprakita Sabda Brahma? It is sold in market. I can go and pay and not. Vishuddha Guru Vaishnava, those messengers of Bhagavan, deputed personalities, they are coming in this Aprakita Jagat, they are coming in material Jagat, from Aprakita Jagat, they are Aprakita sound box. They are Aprakita sound box, Aprakita Sabda Brahma, from Vaikuntha Jagat appear in their tongue. They go on speaking about the Aprakita Sabda Brahma. And those lucky jivas, they are, lucky, because if they can hear and digest, accept, then they are lucky. Lucky in the sense, they can cut material bondage and go up from this material world. But repeatedly we told, the root cause of all problems, repeatedly I told, even yesterday Bengali Katha, repeatedly I told, the root cause of all fighting, all everything is Pratishtha. Without Pratishtha, we don't like to accept anything. Yesterday I told Prati Prastha. This way, all problem arising, we are going to do Vaishnava Aparad, Nama Aparad, Dhamma Aparad. All aparad we are doing, all the time. Because of false ego, we only want to get pratishtha, nothing else. Nobody can say that I need bhakti. They cannot say that we need bhakti. Bhakti is not so important for them. Not at all. They need love puja pratishtha. This way all problem arising. In Bhagavatam 5th canto, one sloka is there. Naham vishanke suraraj vajrat nastar kusulat na jamasadanda nagnar kunila somavitta pastat shankhe visham brahmakulabhamana Naham vishanke suraraj vajrat nastar kusulat na jamasadanda nagnar kunila somavitta pastat Shankhe Visham Brahmakulabhamanat. There, in front of Jarabharaji Maharaj, that, what name? He is speaking, Rogan. Please try to identify who you are. I have done a great mistake I have done a great offense unto your lotus feet. I could not realize who you are. I expressed so much audacity to give you order. Carry my palanquin. Carry my palanquin. Please excuse me. I wanted to threat you, I can beat you. But now, by hearing one word from you, I am very scared because I think you are somebody in the guise of one ordinary boy. Please identify. Otherwise I can get destroyed. I don't fear the thunderbolt, the missile, Vajra of Indra. And if Shankar going to take the trident to kill me, I don't fear. Naham visanke suraraj vajrat, nastark sulat na jamosya dandyat. Jamraj is going to take missile and throw, but still I don't fear. Agnidev going to kill me with his missile, I don't fear. Vayudev and the goddess of water, Varundev, Chankhe Visham Brahma Kulavamanat. I fear to commit any offense unto the lotus feet of Vaishnava. Because very dangerous. You cannot get any way out. Very dangerous. Ruhugan speaking. Finally, Prabhupada speaking, those who are puffed up, expressing false ego, due to big patishta given by Mayadevi, they are going to commit offense. Prabhupada speaking, they are doing offense, those idiots. Those demons, they go on committing offense. This way, they don't care. They are habituated. They are habituated to commit Vaishnava. They don't fear. Finally, they are going to get that kind of audacity as to insult Bhagavan. Find fault with Bhagavan, Gauranga, Krishna. This is their position. Actually, they are Mayavadi. They are Mayavadi. They are not devotee. They are not devotee. They are Mayavadi. Prabhupada speaking, Sarup Gosai even wanted to excuse that Prakito Kavi, but still he never allowed Mayavadi. Haridas Thakur at least wanted to excuse that cross. She is innocent. Okay, no problem. But Haridas Thakur never wanted to deliver that idiot Ramchandra Khan, who wanted to commit offense under the lotus feet of Nityananda Balaram. When Nityananda Balaram went there for preaching purpose, some devotee going asking our Sripad, Prabhu coming, where to stay? Can you arrange one place so that all devotees can say, yes, you can go to the Gosala. My Gosala is a big place, there Gosai can stay comfortably. After that, Nityananda Prabhu was informed. Nityananda Prabhu laughing, ha 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 ha, like, right, Gosala is my proper place. Gosala is my proper place, I can stay in Gosala, right? After that, Nityananda Prabhu gone. Within a few days, Muslim ruler came and wanted to destroy everything. Cooking Gomangsha, they are going to cook Gomangsha in their house. They are going to take the honor and respect of their wife and children, daughter, all gone. all gone. He was insulted and beaten in such a way that in infinity period he cannot forget. All his money, position, honor, all gone. This is the result of Vaishnava Aparad. Be careful. This is the result of Vaishnava Aparad. Bhagavan can never forget. Bhagavan can never forget. Bhagavan can never excuse if somebody committing Vaishnava Aparad. Bhagavan cannot excuse. Mahaprabhu wanted to excuse that, that material sadhu, this is not sadhu, saying with, Matajis, still. But Mahaprabhu never wanted to excuse Mayavadis. That was a special case. Mahaprabhu wanted to express some karuna to them to prove that Mayavadi is nothing but one kind of illusion. Nirvisheshvadi, Kamsa was Nirvisheshvadi, Jarasandhar was Nirvisheshvadi. Externally, though they are doing jagya, everything. But Jaggo Vai Vishnu, Dharma Moolam Hi Vishnu, they don't believe. The ultimate outcome of Jagga what? If you don't believe Vishnu, then what happened? Jagga Moolam Hi Vishnu. They are Nirvisheshvadi. So Nirvisheshvadi, Mayavadi can never be excused. They are in the guise of sadhu, all Nirvisheshvadi. All Nirvisheshvadi, 100%. Nirvisheshvadi. They have no belief for pure Guru Vaishnava. They are not following their Gurudev, Sadguru, at all if their Guru is Sat. That I am saying. They are not following. They are following their whimsical mind. They are following their whimsical mind as a director of their life. They are driven by illusory energy. How they can deliver whole world. So this way, you should remember that Vaishnava Aparadi cannot get excuse for Bhagavan. Any other things you can do some mistake that can be excused. Today is the Avirbhav Tithi of Nityananda Balaram. Why you say? Yesterday, Avirbhav Tithi of Balaram, you are speaking wrong? No, I am not speaking wrong. Today is the Avirbhav Tithi of Balaram Nityananda, because today is the Avirbhav Tithi of Narottama Thakur Mahasaya. Narottama Thakur Mahasaya is Nityananda. From Nityananda, Narottama Thakur coming. From Gauranga, Srinivasacharya coming. Follow. From Advaita Gosai, who coming? Samananda Prabhu. So I am right. I am not speaking any wrong Siddhanta. Today is the Avirbhav Tithi of Nityananda in the form of Srila Narottama Thakur Mahasaya, who is non-different from Nityananda, or I would say Nityananda coming in the form of Narottama to deliver whole world. Is Narottama. Narottama, this word, if you calculate, Naro plus Uttama, Narottama. Among all human beings, who is the topmost, Bhagavan is known as Narottama. You know? Narayana Namaskritta, Naranchaiva Narottamam. So Bhagavan is known as Narottama. His name was Narottama. His name Narottama. I am not going to touch all those basic things. I am interested to discuss about Siddhanta Vichar, all secrecy of Siddhanta is more practical. Narottama Thakur took birth this day, Narayani Devi name, father Santosh Datta. Santosh Datta. This way he took birth here. After that he growing up, but gradually everybody can realize he is not an ordinary man. One day he went to take bath in Padda. After taking bath, when getting up, his body become golden complexion. Hari? His body was Shyamvarna. Coming back, father, mother cannot, who? Body color total change. Because Prem, it is called Prem Tali, Premasthali, where Prema was deposited there to Padda, that my Narottama can come, you can give. Padda speaking, how I can realize who is Narottama? But whenever he can take bath, you can feel ecstatic feeling can come. You can feel some extraordinary feeling. Then you can realize Narottama. This way, Narottama Thakur grew up, all Vyakaran, everything, education, all almost. After that, he is searching the way to get out of the room. Because there is trap. By watching the detachment mood, father, mother, and uncle, very anxious. Purushottam. I mean, the father is Santosh Datta, his elder brother is Purushottam. Both brothers very mutually, they are getting one state, by the king. That was the system that time. King cannot go here and there to collect tax. That was the agreement. One big piece of land given to one powerful personality, who he can collect tax from everywhere, and he can keep 30%, 70% give. This kind of agreement. This way, this Jamindar landlord system came. This is the way how landlord system came. Landlord. Though they are enjoying all land and everything, property like Raghunath Das Gosai, father, they also same. Haridas Thakur wanted to deliver that cross, but Haridas Thakur was less interested to deliver that Harinavi, that village, I mean the village of Raghunath Das Gosai, previously, there, Gopal Chakravarti, who wanted to challenge with Raghunath, who wanted to challenge with Haridas Thakur. Harinam is this kind of power, useless. All authorities, finances, everything is a failure. Harinam, you are foolish. He is speaking to Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur laughing. Why you are going to express some doubt in Harinam? Harinam is so powerful. All assembly speaking, my God, you are insulting Haridas Thakur? Oh my God. Within one day, when he challenged to Haridas Thakur, if it is not so, if you cannot prove, then you will have to cut your nose. Or if I can prove, then I can. If I cannot prove, then I can prove. Harinam is useless. Harinam is only name. How this kind of power can be possible? Haridas Thakur is smiling more, praying to everybody. Why you are feeling pain for me? Let him speak what is. He is ignorant actually. I never mind. Haridas Thakur gone. Try to understand what I mean to say. I wanted to say, Haridas Thakur was interested to deliver that cross. Whereas Haridas Thakur was less interested to deliver this man, Gopal Chakravarti, who is impersonalist. Follow what I mean to say. Mayavadi. Haridas Thakur gone from there. This way, Guru Vaishnava searching all Jivatmas, those who are at least in favor of Guru Vaishnava, a little bit, At least there is no negative thing present. I like to deliver. So, Santosh Datta is the father of Narottama Thakur Mahasaya and is the elder brother of Santosh Datta, I mean the elder uncle, is Purushottam Datta. They are big Jamindar. Their monthly income, if you hear, you can go mad. You cannot imagine. This way, Santosh Datta and Purushottam Datta, both of them were bound to go to meet with the king. Because when messenger came and asking king, calling you, the king of Bangla, calling you to discuss something, then they are taking hasty decision to go quickly to meet. In the meantime, Narottama Thakur find one golden opportunity. Because now father is not there, uncle is not there, now nice one. For a long time, Narottama Thakur planning how to go out of this trap of this family life. It's one kind of trap. But those who are Vaishnava, their family life is not trap. Their family life not trap. Many things I like to discuss, but time cannot permit. I can discuss this point someday, clearly. How family life can help you, big way, to attain the lotus feet of Bhagavan. Mayavadi log, they are speaking all rubbish. They don't understand bhakti. So this way, Narottama Thakur Mahasaya for a long time searching the way out, how to go out of this trap. Prahlad Maharaj speaking to Hiranyakasipu. Hey, what do you think good? What is the teaching? You think very good teaching you received from your Gurudev. Prahlad Maharaj thought, my Gurudev is actually Naradji. That he is thinking his Gurudev is an Swarna Marko. Hiranyakasipu thinking according to his own conception, misconception. And I sent my boy to Gurukul, maybe learning. Hey, what do you learn more? Tatsadu manne asura varja dehinam sada samudvigna dhiyam sadgruhat hitvattopatam gyuhamanda kupam vanam gataha yad harimasrahit. Prahlad Maharaj. To whom? Hiranyakasipu. Hey, what do you think good? What teaching you receive? Tatsadu manne asura varja dehinam sada samudvigna dhiyam sadgruhat hitvattopatam grihamanda kupam vanam gataha yad harimasrahit. I think it is more practical to live this kind of blind well-like family life and go to forest to concentrate, to do bhajan of Bhagavan. That I think, Prahlad Maharaj. Now Narottama would like to fly away. Now golden opportunity. All the security men there, they are a little bit unmindful. In the middle, they run from the house and go to Vrindavan. Ram, Ram. After that, what happened? Finally, we are successful to go to Vrindavan. But before that, I like to discuss so many things, but no problem, okay, then gone there. After that, he had information, because Gaur Nityananda heard day and night crying. Ha Gaura Nitai, Tora Duti Bhai. Ha Gaura Nitai, Tora Duti Bhai. Patito Janero Bondhu. Adhama Patito Ami Duryan. How more ke pasinthu. Very nice kirtan. You have no time to do kirtan. That's why I am not getting. Very nice. Ha Gaura Nitai, Tora Duti Bhai. Patito Janero Bandhu. A stereotype kirtan. Ha, thak, thak. Like Mikali. idiot. Stereotype kirtan. 2 or 3, 4, no. This way, North Oregon, they took birth in Jamuna, very nice, Ananda. After that, reaching the lotus feet of Jiva Goswami Path. He was informed to take shelter of Loknath Goswami Path. Loknath Goswami Path is a great personality, Gaur Parshad. Narottama Thakur accepted him as Guru, but he is not giving any, he is not making any disciple. He is not giving Diksha. He went there, praying unto a lotus feet. He is not there already. I am not making a disciple. Whom I can make disciple? Who can become disciple? Everybody like to become Guru. Why Suddha Guru Vaishnava, they never like to make disciple? Why? Because they are over-sanguine, then nobody can become disciple. They like to become Guru. Even whole life they find one personality, they can give Diksha. One. This way, when Loknath Goswami rejected him repeatedly, but still he is catching the lotus feet. I am not giving Diksha. Then he thought, I will have to catch the attention, I will have to catch the attention of my Guru Padma. How? By seva. He remembered one Siddhanta. By seva, I can buy the lotus feet my Guru Padma. Because Bhagavan is sold. To what to speak about his disciple, but Bhagavan is merciful. And more merciful their disciple. So if Bhagavan can be purchased by seva, so why not devotees? He took decision, okay. From day onward, I cannot request him to give Diksha. I can run my life in such a way into seva, so that he will have to give Diksha to me. How he can cheat me? He started waiting in the forest. Night time, Loknath Gosai going to latrine there, and every day Narottama Thakur with mud and squeezy, bone, everything wetting. When he gone, after the water, cleaning this place, everything very clean with mud, and taking the boon here and crying, oh boon, you are so lucky that you have the chance to do seva, but I have no. I am more fallen than you. One day, Loknath Goswami thinking, who is cleaning this place? Who is cleaning this place? Today I will have to make a trap so that I can catch that bird. I will to. Then Narottama Thakur, after latrine is over, going to wait in such a place, very secretly, watching who is coming. He finding one in a prince, like prince, very nice. Is coming and crying and cleaning this place. Then Loknath Goswami started shouting, who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Loknath was running and coming. He wanted to fly. Hey, don't fly. Oh, that boy who wanted to take Diksha, he was bound to give Diksha. He was bound to give Diksha. And Narottama Thakur started staying there and doing seva. One day there was a very small issue. What is that? Some chapati. I also used to bake chapati. Used to go all house, Brahmin house, Bajivasi. Come, Baba, sit here. They are making chapati, giving to me, and I gossip with them, that is also bhakti, and come. What your son doing is reading perfectly. A daughter you give away in marriage, I am gossiping with them for some time. People think I am doing material talking. No, it's bhakti. It's bhakti, I come back. Winter, summer. Winter means in barefoot you cannot put, even with Chappal you cannot go, so cold. Barefooted I am going. This way, very nice experience I have. I don't like to forget it. With Brajavasis, all their relationship, I remember everything. Very nice. This way, Narottama Thakur was given initiation. He started staying there. One day, all chapati. One day, one beggar coming. Give me something. Then Narottama going to give some chapati. Loknath was watching. Hey, you go away. Why? What I have done? You give chapati. So, you are the son of a king. You are prince. You have no right to stay with me. Go away. Go away from me. This way. This way, it was one kind of trick. Because if Narottama Thakur going to do solitary bhajan with Loknath, who can preach? Because he is Nityananda, come on. He is Nityananda. He has to go door to door for preaching. This way, Narottama Thakur pay pranam to Gurudev and going. After their learning all Shastra, actually he took consent from Loknath Goswami also. He took consent. After that, reading all Shastra, three. One is Srinivasacharya, another is Narottama, another is Samananda Prabhu. All three of them at a time learning from Jiva Goswami Pad, the great. At the time they are sitting and Jiva Goswami Pad giving lesson. All about the Sandarbha, everything, all Siddhanta, written by Goswamis, Jiva Goswami Rupa Goswami all teaching them. After that, one day, Jiva Goswami giving order, well, you will have to go to Bangla and here and there for preaching. Preaching? Yes. All the books, I can give books in the form of plum leaf. All bundle. They make a bullock cart. And they started by taking permission from Sri Govinda Gopinath Madan Mohan, from Jiva Goswami Pad, all Guru Varga, started towards Bangla for preaching. In the midway, when they are almost going to enter Bengal, almost already enter, it's called Bankura. It's called Bankura. There, all the treasure were stolen. They started lamenting like mad. What to do? Then Srinivasacharya told, it is useless to lament. Maybe it is the arrangement of Nityananda. Otherwise it cannot so happen. Because Goswami, by the name of Jai Rupa Sanatan Bhattu Raghunath, Srijiva Gopal Bhattu Das Raghunath, in the name of Saragoswami Vaishnavas, no problem can stand. How possible? E chai gosai kori charana bandhan, jaha hoite bigno nas abhishta puran. How possible? It is the desire of Nityananda. Well, you do one thing, you too, Narottama Prabhu and Samananda. Srinivasa is speaking, I am waiting for here, I am waiting here, I am waiting there to get back the treasure. Let me take information. So you too don't waste your time. It is the order of Nityananda, it is the order of Jiva Goswami. Go for preaching. So Narottama Thakur coming this way, and Samananda Prabhu going south-west, all. Orissa belt, Midnapur, or Orissa belt, or everything. And Narottama Thakur going up to Manipur, Mizoram. That is the reason for why still today That is the reason for why still today you can find Manipuri people there doing tilak, doing kirtan. Only the effect of Vaishnava going. Narottam Thakur used to stay in a place, proper place, maybe in a temple, and doing with kartal, playing kartal and doing kirtan. Sometime beneath a banyan tree, doing kirtan. All people used to come around him to hear the kirtan, sweet kirtan. And after hearing kirtan, they used to feel reaction. They used to feel reaction. How is that possible? Manipuri people, they have no idea about Bengali language. But still, after hearing, they used to cry and roll down on ground. What can be the reason? The reason is that Aprakita Sabda Brahma is the language of heart. Aprakita Sabda Brahma is the language of your heart. But you don't understand. You only understand Spanish or, Brazilian language, is the English, Bengali. But you don't know. Aprakita Sabda Brahma is the language of your heart, of your Atma. So, now today we feel the effect. For why all Manipuri people, Eastern zone, they are feeling bhakti. In Bangladesh, though it is Muslim predominated field at present, but still those who are staying there, they are having great bhakti. Still today. Muslim people are 6% Bengali, 6% Hindu. Bengali they are also, Muslim also Bengali. Only 6%, or day by day, even more down. They are at bay. They can kill any time. You have nothing to speak. This way, all Eastern zone, by the influence of Narottam Thakur, they grow bhakti. And Southeastern zone, especially the Orissa belt, all converted into bhakti by Narottam Thakur, by Samananda Prabhu. And Srinivasacharya wanted to take charge of the place, Bankura, Birbhum, all that place. The whole treasure were delivered, rescued. By how? Because by the trick of, by the bhakti of Srinivasacharya. Birhambir king, he was the king of that place. He is a rover. Those who are palmists, those who are astrology, they are giving indication to king. King, today you can give big property from the forest. He is sending on rover. But they don't know that property is aprakita property, not material property like gold and coin. After that find, oh, there is no coin, no golden coin, no nothing. Only plum. What? Maybe it is property. Who says? Srinivasacharya, I cannot touch this point, it will take time. I will to speak so many things. So this way, there was a very nice devotional trick by the help of which Srinivasacharya was successful to deliver all lost treasures. Not only that, but also the king of Bankura, Birhambir Raja was converted into a great devotee. Great devotee. His wife, all become great devotee. Finally, what happens? Narottam Thakur coming and going to the place where Kheturi, the place where he took birth, they came back. Follow. This way, Father Santosh Datta, all they arrange big festival before taking, when he took birth. Now gradually they gone from this world. All they gone. Then Narottama Thakur took decision by the inspiration of Guru Padma. By the inspiration of Guru Padma. Externally Guru Padma throwing him out. But internally going to arrange so that he can do preaching. Be careful, one pure disciple or pure Guru, always doing each and every of his action is controlled or regulated or driven by Guru Kripa. This is the reason. So he is coming, he took decision to make a temple there. Still the temple is there. Still the temple is there. He make a temple, he arranged to establish 3 or 4 Gauranga Vigraha and Radha Govindo, Radha Rasik Mohan, so many deities. He wanted to install there. By the help of Janmavata Thakurani. Because by that time, Nityananda gone away. Janmavata Thakurani, Nityananda Shakti, she went, and also we have information, Vrindavan Das Thakur Maharaj also went there in this festival. All big festival. Na bhuto na bhavishwati. Na bhuto na bhavishwati. In future, this kind of festival never happened in the history of Vaishnava, bhajan field, and no in future is possible. All Vaishnavas from Orisha, from Bangla, from Vrindavan, they all were invited. Havoc arrangement was there. They spent water like water, money like water. Janmavata Thakur went, Ishwari, everybody fearful. Ishwari, she herself and all other devotees, Srinivasa, all they doing Abhishek. That festival was such a big festival that it is beyond our capacity to describe. We cannot describe. Big festival was there. So, Narottama Thakur arranged all festival, big festival, there is one problem. If you have no idea to categorize who is what kind of what quality Vaishnava is, then big offense can be there. That was spoken by Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Prabhu, at a time, if I call all Vaishnava, I cannot give proper honor to them according to their position. So better to call limited Vaishnava, I can serve, they can go, another Vaishnava can come. But it was exclusive situation. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told Prabhu, you can come with 2 or 3 and other days I can call. Because at a time if I call all Vaishnava, I cannot give honor to them, proper honor. But that was the exclusive Utsav. Only it was possible because Narottama Prabhu Nityananda. Narottama Thakur is Nityananda. Otherwise no father can arrange this kind of whatever money power can be there. Not possible. He arranged such a havoc arrangement that all Vaishnavas, they were given proper arrangement, accommodation, water, all Vaishnavas, sevak, everything nice. Janmavata Thakurani herself used to cook boga. Boga, you know, boga? Janmavata Thakurani herself used to cook boga. Srinivasa Arjun, Narottama Thakur, all devotees, Samananda Prabhu, all, they used to do kirtan, and in the kirtan, Gaur Nitai appeared. Gaur Nitai they appear, Gaurnitha, dancing in there. Everybody cannot see. Those who are lucky, they can see. Everybody cannot see. Gaurnithananda dancing. This way, big festival was there. So big festival that in the history of Vaishnava bhajan, rare. Ishwari, Janva Thakurani. Under the guidance of Janva Thakurani, everything done. From then onward, Narottam Thakur went on doing seva like king. But by watching the influence of Narottam Thakur, those Martha, Gosai and other, they started expressing jealousy, quite natural. They started expressing jealousy. Because by now Narottam Thakur name spreading everywhere like the nice smell of flower. All around. They are thinking, he is growing this kind, he become guru. Narottam Thakur giving diksha. Oh, nice, But what to do? Then all smartas, they took decision to fight with him, to prove that you are Sudra. How dare you are giving diksha to Brahman boys, Anna? How? How you are giving? This way started. Narottam Thakur not expressing any anxiety. Narottam Thakur not expressing any anxiety, nothing. Because he is well aware about his own position as a devotee of Nityananda. He is not expressing. They like to fighting mood. Everybody coming and like to fight, insult him. He is not speaking anything. One day, Narottam Thakur and Srinivasa Acharya, both of them, they are very bosom friends. So many stories I don't like to speak. Time came to permit. Both of them going to take bath in, where? Padma. After taking bath, they are coming. They are watching two young boys, very nice looking, very handsome. They are coming with some buffalo, goat, everything, with, tied, bonded. They are going. Then, Narottama and Srinivasa are speaking, well, who they are too? Very nice looking. If they could do Hari Bhajan, it would have been more practical. What they are doing with the buffalo, these, they are coming by hearing this and paying pranam, bas. After paying pranam and looking at Narottama Thakur, they change. Vaishnava darshan, purifying. That's why I told about her case. Let her come to me. I am not Vaishnava. My Gurudev Vaishnava, Prabhupada Vaishnava, she can watch and can convert, can be converted. Follow. Darshane pavitra karo ei tomar gun. Vaishnava can purify you by giving darshan only. They are asking, and Narottam Thakur asking, who you two? Actually, Shivananda Bhattacharya, the great landlord, we two, his son. Where you are going? With buffalo? Actually, point is that Durga Puja, na? So, Durga Puja, na? So, oh, my father ordered us to go to the market to buy buffalo and goat, everything to sacrifice in front of the... Oh my God, really? Yes. But you don't know. By Hari Bhajan, everything can be done. Oh, we believe little bit, but father is very strict, It's Shivananda Bhattacharya, very powerful. He's very angry man. So he loved Devi. Ma, ma, speaking this way. Dhanam dehi, janam dehi, jaso dehi, diso johi. This way. So what to do? Father is very strict. Strict. You don't know? Jatha taror mulli sechanena tippanti taskanda hujopasakha pranopaharasya jathendriyanam tathaiva sarva arhananam uchute. You don't know? By worshipping Vishnu, by worshipping Vishnu, all worship can be done. What to speak about Devi, Shiva, Kartik, all can be done. Really so, I believe you. But Father, they, after hearing, they were so much impressed by the discussion, they took decision to throw buffalo and goat in the forest. Go, 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 go. They took bath and took Harinam, everything, and started doing Haribhajan. Father speaking, saved head. Father speaking, where gone? My two sons, powerful son, where gone? Hey, you take information, where gone? They are not coming because Devi Puja is there. How I can sacrifice buffalo? I give money to them to buy. Then people coming and giving information. Well, King, Prabhu, Babu, actually your two sons become Vaishnava. Two sons become Vaishnava. Vaishnava? Yes. They initiated. They are doing Harinam, Kit. Huh? And where buffalo, they throw everything in. Go in the forest. Go. They throw. Really so. They are coming in trim. Big troop. Big troop coming to fight with Narottamana. You idiot. You are Shudra giving initiation to my son. We are Brahman. You have done great offense. Great offense. I can give judgment what to do with you. Narottamana could not speak anything. We humble. Vaishnavas are so powerful, that's why they are not agitated, they are humble. If they express power, they can, like Prabhupada told, na, by urine, everybody can go away. By the flow of urine, they can go away. This way what happens? One name is Ramkrishna Bhattacharya, another is, I forget, another name. Two sons. By then they learn all Shastra, giving argument. By Vishnu, Father, when you are doing Durga Puja, why you are going to invite Salogram? Father speechless. If you are going to do worship of Durga, Shakti, you do. Why you invite? That's when within Salogram, all infinity Brahmanda or demigods are there. Vishnu is the mood. Hey, stop! Brahman always worship Shakti. Then after that, Sivananda Chakravarti wanted to invite some Pandit. They were all defeated by the two sons, by the power of Gurudev. After that, Narsingo, one king, all smart Brahman going to lodge one complaint against this Narottama. Narsinga, big powerful. What? But they are two Sudra, they are going to destroy the whole society by giving initiation to all, him and they, this way. How much audacity! They are giving initiation to Brahman. Oh, really? Don't worry. I can invite big Pandit from Mithila. Big Pandit. They can come in group. They can defeat them and we can give punishment. If they are defeated, well, they inform big Pandit from Mathura coming. Mathura with all their students. They are all erudite scholars. They are all erudite scholars. They are coming and Narottama Thakur and Srinivasa, they have got information well. They are coming to defeat us, fight with us. So, what to do? Narottama Thakur, Srinivasa took decision. They are coming in. They are coming in this village? Yes. Because that time there was no car, or either bullock cart or walking and cooking. There is no stove, oven, nothing. So, they are bound to collect some log, I mean, wooden piece and do, and they need mud pot, na? Mud pot. Without mud pot, how they can cook? So they took decision, they must be chewing betel leaf, and they must buy mud pot. So let us go there. Two of them, Narottama Thakur opening one shop purposely, in guise of a salesman. Open one shop in the market to sell mud pot. Because they can come, they have to cook. So they must come here. And Srinivasacharya selling betel leaf. They are chewing pan, na? So when they are coming and make a station there, after that they break halt, they are cooking and sleeping, taking rest. They send some student, go to the market and buy mud pot, we'll have to cook rice, everything, sabji, they can buy. And betel leaf, they are habituated. Then some student going to buy a mud pot, but the mud pot, they are speaking in Sanskrit. Mud pot they are selling mud pot, they are speaking in Sanskrit fluently. What happens? They also started speaking. And they are in the betel leaf shop, they are also, this village is strange village. This village is very strange village, where ordinary people, ordinary boys, they are selling mud pot or betel, they are speaking Sanskrit. Maybe they are very erudite scholar, who knows? They started argument with them, logical. And gradually they become agitated, because they are defeated now. Each time they are speaking, they are defeated. Then all people coming out, Sanskrit, fighting going on. All people all around, what happens? The mud pot selling, speaking in Sanskrit continuously. Shastra, who knows? This is a transcendental village, maybe. Who knows? After that, what happens? Gradually, this information gone to the leader of the team, big Pandit from Mathura. He also coming. After that, big fighting took place, but the Pandit is defeated. After that, Narsingha Datta speaking, what to speak? You are defeated here in the village where they are selling, mud pot, and how we can go to Narottama? Maybe he is big, so let us go away. We can get him anything on. The village where one village man who is selling betel leaf is singing this way. You are defeated, you sing, you are great Pandit. You are defeated here. How we can go to Narottama? Maybe he is great, big Pandit. So let us go away. Gone. And in the meantime, in the dream, they be speaking to whom? They are speaking to Sivananda Bhatta. Hey! You insult Narottama as a Sudra, I can kill you. Go and beg for pardon. Then Sivananda Sen was bound to go and beg for pardon, and he was also initiated by Narottama Thakur. This way, Narottama Thakur and Srinivasacharya, all throughout Bangladesh, we are very unlucky. We lose the Bangladesh is such a place. Bangladesh is such a place, some nice place, but we lose it. Most of our Guru Varga, all they took birth in Bangladesh. Most of our Guru. My Gurudev, all our, Keshav Maharaj, all, most of them took birth. That land is so fertile land, where any baby taking birth, they become very exalted. So, but we lose it. Due to political game. Due to political game. All gone. Then Narottama Thakur was successful to preach, and I went up to the border of Bangladesh. I never crossed that, because in my resolution I cannot go to Bangladesh. I went to the border of Sikkim or border of Nepal to speak Harikatha there, Kumargaon. But I never entered. Bangladesh border, I am speaking Harikatha, in Bangladesh all people hearing. The border people. But they cannot come. There is one small, There's one ditch. This way, Narottama Thakur finally started doing bhajan in Gambhila, not Gambhira. Try to hear, Gambhila. I went there by the inspiration of our Rishikesh Maharaj, who was the disciple of Bhaktivedanta Madhavu, is very senior. He one day told me, you go and check up what kind of bhajan they are doing. I went with paper and pen, everything like a guy of ordinary devotee, and gone there. Oh, searching what they are doing, everything. There I went, Gambhila. Gambhila is such a place when Narottama Thakur, Srinivasa Ajo, and Ramchandra Kabira, they all used to do Hari Bhajan there. One incident I can speak so that you can understand the relationship between Guru and Sishya. Relationship between Guru and Sishya is so divine, so pure, and so exclusive, you cannot understand. If you go to beat disciple, Gurudev can feel pain. You cannot believe. How possible, Maharaj? Is one kind of story? No. No story. No story. If you beat one disciple, Gurudev can give pain. Many times it happens. When Haridas Thakur was beaten in 22 different markets in Kalna, when Haridas Thakur was beaten in 22 different markets in Kalna, Mulluk, that time, still he was alive. Later on, someday, our Gauranga speaking, when they started beating to you, feeling very pain, na? But no, not so pain. It was okay, with a whip, you know. Gauranga speaking, how we can feel pain? How you can feel pain? You look my back. Mahaprabhu was showing my back. All whip I took. Oh my God. All whip. How you can feel pain? I took all whip in my back. This way, Srinivasa Acharya, Narottama Thakur and Ramchandra Kaviraj. About this Ramchandra Kaviraj, Narottama Thakur wrote one kirtan. You remember that kirtan? Pasane kutibo matha anole posibo Gauranga guner nidhi kotha gele pao. Ramchandra sango mage Narottama das. This kirtan. Narottama crying, Narottama always crying to get the divine association of that. Whom? Ramchandra. So nice. Who is Ramchandra? Ramchandra is the disciple of Srinivasa. Ramchandra, Srinivasa speaking Harikatha. In one place I went there and spoke Harikatha there. It is not long distance, it is in Bardwan district, Katwa. I went there. That time you went with us, na? You can remember that place we went. I cannot remember. That place was back and field. There was a rail line going on, bus line. That is the place. There he was speaking Harikatha in the veranda, and one very nice, like a prince, very nice looking, going after marriage. Then Srinivasa was speaking, such a nice, guy, such a nice guy. If he could do Hari Bhajan, his life would have been very successful. This much. This word going into the ear of whom? Kaviraj, Namchandra, who was passing through that place in Planquin. He went to the spot where he was bound to go. After that night time, leaving wife, he running and coming back to Srinivasa to take shelter. Wife is there. Newly married. First night, he left wife and I'm going to pass urine or something, lie and coming out. Run and run, coming to Srinivasacharya to take shelter. And that wife even could not see husband properly. One day, Srinivasacharya speaking to Ramchandra Kabira, you go and do Stri Sambhashan to test how much love is there for me. Or that side is strong, or this side is more stronger. I mean, one side is Maya, and one side is I myself. Let me test. He's speaking, you marry for the first time, you never saw your wife properly. You go, now you go. And talk with wife, and Sambhasan, then come back. Follow. So after that he gone, and when come back in the morning time, then Narottama Thakur asking, why are you gone? For Sri Sambhasan. Ah, idiot! Sri Sambhasan? Narottama Thakur was cleaning with the boon, started beating with boon. You idiot, you are my friend, you are my love. Then started beating. And Ramchandra Guru not speaking anything. After that, in the noon time, when Narottama Thakur going to massage the body of Samananda Babu, Srinivasacharya, backside watching some red color and the piece of bone that end portion entering. Narottama Thakur, how it happened? Not only yesterday I never saw this kind of symptom on your backside. How it happened? You created it. I created. How I created? I never created. No, you created, nah. You created. How? I created. When I created? You started beating to Ramchandra Kaviraj. So you beat Ramchandra Kaviraj. And it come. From then onward, Narottama Thakur become mad and become a so bosom friend with Ramchandra. That when Ramchandra gone, Narottama Thakur crying like a mad, asking, Ramachandra Sangha Mage Narottama Das. How nice relationship. Gambhira. Narottama Thakur was bound to give initiation to so many people, whereas his Gurudev never wanted to make any disciple. So as per your opinion, he is going against Gurudev. As per your opinion, he is going against Gurudev, but not so. Externally, Narottama Thakur, and externally, our Loknath Goswami going to driving away. There was some secrecy. Because if he is not going to throw him away, he can stay in Khaira, Khadirgaon and do solitary bhajan. If all of us doing solitary bhajan, who can take trouble to go in front of public? Who can get the beating of chappal? So we are ready to get the beating of it. People can beat us with chappal and speak all rubbish because we are going to render some service of Gauranga. They can insult us. But we are going to do some voluntary service. We will have to suffer. One madman in mental asylum can beat the doctor. Doctor entering. Fa! Doom! Doctor beat. The patient is crazy. Going to beat all material man. Those who are in the guise of devotee tilak, they are all patient, mental patient. They are all mental patient. They are not devotee. Anytime if you speak about the absolute truth, they can kick you, they can insult you. They are ready to give you some false allegation to fulfill their personal material desire. There is no such father, mother, wife, children, nothing. Those who are out of self-interest. Some or other way, they are involved in some material interest. Only pure Guru Vaishnava, they have no false ego. Only those who are pure, they have no false ego. Anyhow you can test them if you have your power. Test them. They have no self-interest. They are ready to sacrifice their life to save you. But still people speaking all rubbish to them. What to do? Nothing to do. So Narottama Thakur is a Nityananda Prabhu coming. I told yesterday, Nityananda Prabhu, even Jogai Madhava wanted to break the head. Still Narottama Thakur wanted to deliver them. Where you can find? Where you can find this kind of glowing example is rare. If you go against Indra, he can kick you out, then kill you. If you go against Durga, if you go against them, they can kill you. But only Bhagavan. If you go against Bhagavan, Bhagavan not speaking anything. You know the testing of Bhrigu Muni? Bhrigu Muni wanted to provide a kick on the chest of Vishnu. Vishnu, your leg is so soft. You are kicking on my chest, and my chest is like a stone. Maybe you are feeling pain. Let me massage your leg. This is called Vishnu. Now you think about the mood of Guru Vaishnava. If Vishnu going to express this kind of mood, now you think about the mood of Guru Vaishnava, how soft they are. Even you cannot imagine. Impossible for you. This way, Narottama Thakur wrote so many kirtan. I have no time to discuss all. Many things I wanted to speak, but time cannot permit anyway. So, Narottama Thakur wrote kirtan. You can ask me any of his writing, I may be writing, but kirtan is main important. All Bhagavatam, all Chaitanya Charitamrita, all Chaitanya Bhagavat, if you make a gist of all, what about Saragoswami Padi written na? Nana sastha vichara naika nipuno saddharma sangstapako lokanam hitakarino tibubane manyo saranya karu. All the gist of all Shastra, how possible? All the gist of all Shastra, he wanted to put in the Kirtan. That's why our Guru Kishore Babaji Maharaj used to keep one Parthana Prem Bhakti Chandra, one small book here. No other book. I can put guarantee that by reading Prem Bhakti Chandrika and Parthana Prem Bhakti Chandrika, you can get the lotus feet of Bhagavan. You can get the lotus feet of Bhagavan, you need not go through other Shastras. What I mean to say, all the gist of Shastras you can find in Parthana Bhagavan, all there. One kirtan you can do and cry. You can get Bhagavan. But if you are not feeling a pain of separation, then there is no possibility. You have to realize all Narottama Thakur kirtan you must do. I told you every day, if no time, still, you must at least one page of Chaitanya Bhagavat. Go on reading. I told you, you are not going. Finally I can speak. If not going to obey, I cannot guarantee any result. How you can get power? Power in the sense, no, power in the sense not that like king, you can kill. Power means bhajan power, I meant to say. So this way, the sloka I started with is very common sloka, but always remember the second sloka I told you now. Naham visankhe suraraj vajrat nastar kusulat na jama sadandat nagnar kunilo samavitta pastat shankhe visham brahmakula vamana tvam bhakti yoga paribhavita hitsaro asase Shrutekshita patanonunat pumsam jad jad dhiyat urgaya vibhavayati tat tad vapu pranayase sadanu gruhayo वांछकल्पतरुस्य कृपा सिंधु पतितानंग पावन भविष्णभ्यो। जय श्री नाथ ठाकुर महाशय की जय। जय सपाल सदनाथ।